guys, you will be amazed to know that we will draw a character using turtle in Python. Turtle, as you remember, we have studied it in our class 6th or 7th. It was the first step towards programming. Here in the site, you can see a lot of information about turtle in Python, the code, the various kind of codes, and a lot of information is also given here. The various examples are also given here. And here you can see brackets. In brackets, we write the steps the cursor has to move like forward, straight, backward, 20 steps, 30 steps. We will mention the number. You can also mention negative numbers also here, minus 20, minus 30. You can see negative as well as positive steps in the program while drawing. And if you want to install turtle in the Python, actually in the newer versions it's already installed. Like I have 3.8.2 version. You can see it's already installed. I didn't install it by writing the installation command. um, if you want to install it, I will give the link from where you have to copy the code in the you have to write cmd in the search bar of your computer. Then a command prompt will get open. Then you will have to run it as administrator and allow yes. Then you will have to write all this, and then the turtle will get installed in your computer. I don't think so you will need to install it, as we already have the newer versions with ourselves. And if you want to install it, I have given you the option. Let's move to the code. So here we will start writing a code by importing turtle. Like without importing turtle, it's kind of impossible to write the code. Then I have selected the body color as red. You can select any color of your choice: blue, red, yellow, green, pink. Then let's move to the glass color part. Here you can see I have written something 9 hashtag 9 ACEDC. It's the code for the lighter blue color of the character, that is age deck. Then let's move down to the code. Then here I have selected the pen size as 20. You can select it as 10 also, 5 also. Let me show you by 10. 10 uh, see the outer part, the outer line, it's a bit thinner, and the backpack part, the color is not filled properly because of the code. I've written the code as according to the pen size 20. Here I have not selected the speed. I have written it as a comment. You can increase the speed by removing the hashtag part. The Python program doesn't includes the commands that are written with hashtag as their comments. See, uh, I have removed the hashtag part and the character is drawn a bit faster. Let me show you by adding the hashtag. It will be drawn at normal speed. See, then let's move to the body part. First we will start our code from the right side here. Then then we will gradually move upward to the head part, then the left side. Then we will come downwards. Then we will get to the hip area. Then we will then we will write the end fill command to end the fill color. Then we will move to the glass part. Then when the code is written for the glass part, then write the end fill command, because it's over now. Then we will move to the backpack part. And after writing the code for the backpack part, again we will write the end fill command, because there is no need to fill any color now. Then we will end our code